folks, it's Derek Taylor down here in San Antonio, just finishing up a wealth building seminar. It's an amazing business. Imagine getting paid off of every bill in your house, your cable, your internet, your cell phone, your home security, your home telephone service, your gas and electric. Imagine your cell phone being able to call anybody in the world and see them while you're talking to them. You may not want to see them now, but guess what? Technology is going to make you see them, because they're not going to make phones the way they used to make them. They're going to make them with video if you have that option to do video if you want it. So I'm a professional showing people how to make more money working from home. And if you want to be one of those people that I teach, visit my website, getrich.derek.com, or if you're on my website now, look at all this information. See it, apply it. The economy is getting way worse than what it was before, and I can show you how to offset this economy. I can show you how to make more money. I can show you how to make residual income. My mentor told me, he said, what are you doing in case you lose your job? What are you doing in case your finances don't work out the right way? What are you doing in case you get hurt? What's going to back up your income? Folks, you got to do this. It's Derek Taylor signing off. Have a great day. And I'm right on the Riverwalk.
Thank you.